Starting the new year off right, a couple of tips that I recommend to all of my callers of how to start 2011 on the right foot. Definitely number one is letting go of the past, letting go of hurts and pains, whether they are romantic or career orientated, even emotional pains from your past. They need to be let go. They need to be in the past where they are finally put to rest. Secondly is building healthier relationships, not just romantic relationships, but relationships with family, friends, co-workers, people who are around you. Sustaining more positive relationships will encourage more positive events surrounding you in, again, your workspace, career, your relationships, both private and family. And thirdly, obtaining your successes. Not basing your goals so high that could be pushed out of reach. Coming down to earth with more realistic goals for 2011, knowing that you yourself will accomplish them.